Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and iconic cruisers Kawasaki has ever built, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000. A name that commands respect in the cruiser world, the Vulcan 2000 returns with even more muscle, refinement, and style for the modern rider. Design and styling. The 2026 Vulcan 2000 keeps its unmistakable road presence intact, low, long, and muscular. Its massive fuel tank, teardrop headlamp, and wide fenders give it that pure American cruiser attitude, while Kawasaki's craftsmanship adds a modern touch. The chrome accents shine brighter, the LED lighting setup feels premium, and the new matte paint options give it a bold and timeless appeal. Everything about its design screams dominance, from the thick front forks to the wide rear tire that plants the bike firmly on the road. The riding posture is relaxed yet commanding, making it perfect for long rides and highway cruising. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Vulcan 2000 is a legendary 2053 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, one of the largest displacement power plants in production. This monster delivers breathtaking torque and deep, throaty exhaust notes that only a big twin can produce. With revised fuel mapping and improved cooling efficiency, Kawasaki has made the engine smoother and more responsive. The throttle response is instant, and when you twist the wrist, the Vulcan surges forward with authority. Despite its massive size, the bike offers a surprisingly balanced feel, allowing riders to enjoy both raw power and refined control. Ride and handling. Kawasaki has focused on enhancing comfort and stability in the 2026 model. The updated suspension system now includes a tuned front fork and a rear monoshock that better absorb bumps and uneven roads. The wide handlebars and low-slung seat keep the rider's posture relaxed, reducing fatigue during long rides. On the highway, the Vulcan 2000 glides effortlessly. Its heavy frame offers unmatched stability even at high speeds, while the belt drive system ensures smooth and quiet power delivery. In city traffic, it may feel a bit hefty, but that's part of its charm. This bike was built for open roads and freedom. Technology and features. Modern touches enhance the Vulcan's classic soul. The digital analog instrument cluster now includes more information, like real-time fuel efficiency and trip data. LED lighting all around improves visibility, and the optional touring package brings saddlebags, a windshield, and Bluetooth connectivity for longer rides. Kawasaki has also introduced a ride-by-wire system, offering selectable ride modes that help control the immense torque. Price in the USA. The 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan 2000 is expected to start around $19,999, depending on trim and accessories. Considering its unmatched power and cruiser credentials, it stands as a solid value in the heavyweight cruiser segment. Thanks for watching this review on Motor Insight.